Hi there, my name is Robin. I'm a leasing specialist here at the Audrey at Belltown, and today I will be touring you through apartment 423. Let's go. Right, we have our 617 square foot, one bedroom apartment. The first thing I notice is the hardwood flooring. Lots of creativity that you can use with hardwood flooring. We have added an accent wall. It's a little bit of like a bluish teal color. It really opens up the apartment in my opinion. You have hardwood flooring that actually opens up to your own personal concrete patio. This is an east exposure, so you receive morning light. So this whole patio belongs to you. You can add a barbecue, any sort of outdoor furniture, storage. This is located on the 4th floor, so this is above ground level, so there's no one on the outside that can walk around here. The only individuals that have access to this are residents who have their own personal patio. And there are about 6 other residents on this 4th floor facing east. People here are very respectful of space, which is really nice. As we go into the kitchen here, there's a really nice bar top, so I would add some bar stools here. Not everyone uses a dining room table anymore. I would really try to utilize that space, probably for more of like an entertainment center or even some artwork or more storage. Here we have our full kitchen with original finish, stainless steel appliances, lots of storage space for cooking, pans, pots, food. I would even store some stuff up there as well. It's really nice. So right outside the front door here, we have our first closet. I like to call this an outdoor closet. I would put my shoes, any sort of coats, or even just additional storage. And then that is where your water heater is located. We have water heaters in every apartment. This here is the first temperature gauge for our central heating so that you can control the heat in your living space. As we move into the bedroom area, you'll notice the floor will change to carpet, which I love. I'll turn on one of the lights here, adds light into this little hallway area. And this second switch here actually controls that lamp right there. So you can plug in any sort of electronic fixture to control via this switch. As you see, here is our second temperature gauge, and the heater is located right at the entrance of the bedroom. This bedroom will easily fit a queen bed, 2 little side tables, or even just more storage. I love this little alcove space. A nice window allowing an abundance of light into the bedroom, which I love. And since this exposure receives morning sun, I would love to be woken up with natural light. And then this window also opens so you can bring in some fresh air into your room. You can close the door and create privacy. We have locks on each door. We have a lot of space here. While doing laundry, I would actually put a long mirror here and check out my outfits for the day. Then you have this huge closet. Easily can fit a dresser, put some drawers in there. I have lots of clothes, so this is perfect. And I like that the washer and dryer is right next to not only the bathroom, but the closet, so I have no excuse for not putting away my clothes. And then we have our full bathroom here. Lots of storage in here as well. Full shower and bath. And then we have more light and a fan. And with the bathroom door, there's also a lock, so that creates privacy as well. And behind the bathroom door, you'll see our switchboard here. If you have any trouble, I have a great maintenance team here at the Audrey, and they can always help you with any questions that you have. This apartment is available immediately. I will post the price for today after this video. Again, this is apartment 423. It's an east exposure here at the Audrey at Belltown on Western Avenue in Seattle, Washington. Thank you so much for letting me tour you guys today. Stay safe out there and enjoy the rest of your day.